The whole set of elementary Changquan Routine 3 consists of 4 sections and 36 movements, including commencing and finishing movements. It contains 3 hand forms, including fist, palm, and hook hand, 7 stances, including bow stance, horse stance, squatting stance, empty stance, and resting stance, 13 hand techniques, including punch, fist hack, piercing palm, tilt palm, elbowing, and hook elbowing, as well as 4 leg techniques, 2 jumping techniques, 1 balance technique, and various footwork. The skills and features of Changquan include quick hands, sharp eyes, flexible body, steady steps, energetic spirits, relaxed breathing, smooth strength, proficient techniques, complying with the rules, and expressing movements in natural forms. Please watch the demonstration of the whole routine of Elementary Changquan Routine 3. Please watch again the back demonstration of the whole routine of Elementary Changquan Routine 3.